It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. In this week's episode, we'll be making a mushroom. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and spun out in a washer. The shirt should still be slightly damp. Isolate the front of the shirt from the back. You can do that by pushing one sleeve through the other, as I try to show here. Once the front and back of the shirt are isolated, smooth out the front and draw the mushroom. Begin pleating along the outer line, doing your best to keep the line straight as you pleat, and bind. Pleat along the middle line of the mushroom cap and bind. Tidy up the rest of the mushroom and bind. You can do whatever you want or nothing to the rest of the shirt, but for this video we'll add a geometrical pattern to the back and scrunch the rest of the shirt. Draw your pattern and pleat along the line and bind. For this example we will bind the whole image. When dyeing, use whatever color or colors you'd like. For the outer line of the mushroom and middle line of the cap, we'll use black. For this video, we'll make the majority of the shirt shades of greens, and for the mushroom we'll go with red and orange because red is the complementary color of green, so it'll have some good contrast. After dyeing the shirt, let it sit for at least 24 hours and at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the shirt is cured, we can open it up. After opening the shirt, throw it in a washing machine for 2 cold wash cycles and 1 hot wash cycle, and then hang dry. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share if this was informative and or enjoyable. Check out this video for more of a challenge, and visit dirtyhippielaundry.com for all of your tie-dye needs. Thanks again, have a great day!